Hi everyone, Deidre here from Our Upcycled Life. Today I made some Kraft Dinner for lunch. I didn't want to throw the box out because I thought I could turn it into something cute and useful and not put it in the recycling bin. So follow along and see what I'm going to do with this box. First thing I'm going to do is cut the ends off the box and then open it up nice and flat. Once we have it all separated, I'm going to cut the front and the back apart. And I have a corner punch that I like to use. It just finishes off your project and makes it look nice and neat, and you don't have the square edge. I had some scrap lined paper. I'm going to cut a bunch of these pieces a little bit smaller than the front of the Kraft Dinner box. Not that long ago, I bought this spiral binder. It's perfect for making journals and notebooks, and I'm using it all the time, and it's so much fun. I'm going to put together a little notepad with this paper and the front and the back of the Kraft Dinner box. When you're doing the front and the back of your little notebook, you want to make sure that you put them together how you want them when they're finished, and then punch them so you have the back and the front lined up the right way. And punched my papers, and we're ready to put this together. And I'm going to take my pliers and just clip off the long pieces at either end. And we've taken a Kraft Dinner box that was destined to go into the garbage and turned it into a cute little notebook that somebody that's a KD lover is going to think is fantastic.